Today, on the 4th of July, 2024, our YouTube channel, A Page, celebrates its 1-year anniversary. Over the past year, we have been dedicated to creating and sharing engaging content with our audience. From informative tutorials to entertaining vlogs, we have worked hard to provide value to our viewers. We are grateful for the support and feedback we have received, and we are excited to continue growing our community in the years to come. Thank you to all our subscribers for being a part of this incredible journey. We look forward to bringing you even more exciting content in the future. We also want to take this opportunity to express our gratitude to the YouTube platform for providing us with the tools and resources to share our passion with the world. As we reflect on our first year, we are proud of the progress we have made and the connections we have formed. We are committed to delivering high-quality content and building a positive and inclusive space for all. Here's to another year of creativity, learning, and fun. Thank you for being a part of our community.